any matter.
Well done, give them a big round of applause. Well done, great stuff. Right, okay, let's get another tune on then from the gang here from Monagear, right? So, the Monagear Stompers, once again, they meet every Thursday night in the Monagear Tavern. If you want to join up, it's €500 entry fee. Right, okay, so here we go then, give them a big cheer, here we go. The last shanty. Okay, right. The last one, I promise. That's hold on. Right, there's news coming through here that's not very welcome. Right, I'll come back to that in a minute. Right, okay, the last shanty then. Right, this could be the last song. Right, okay. Right, here we go then. Are you ready? Right, so give them a big round of applause. Here we go.
Well, me father often told me the Lord just the right. A serious life is pretty hard, the food is always bad. But now I find the Navy and the boat is man of war. And now I found the sailor into sailor anymore. All on the rope, and playing up the match. And standing in the stable when we were up the lap. We like the punks and sleeping bags, but what's a handful? A swinging from the big head, a lying on the floor. Don't hold on the rope, don't climb up the mast. And if you see a sailing ship, it won't be last. Just so you're ready for another on the shore. A sailor ain't a sailor ain't a sailor anymore. Up and down, and in the more technology, the engine went around. We know our steam and Jesus, but what's a million for? A snooker ain't a snooker with a shovel anymore. Don't haul on the rope, don't climb up the mast. And if you see a sailing ship, it might be the last. Just see you're ready for another on the shore. A sailor ain't a sailor ain't a sailor anymore. And that's your bleeding lot. And now we got an extra one because they stopped the cop. So we put on our city clothes and find a pub shore. A sailor's just a sailor, just like you was before. Don't climb up the mast. And if you see a sailor ship, it won't be your last. Just get your sleeve ready for another on shore. A sailor ain't the sailor ain't the sailor anymore. Don't climb up the rope, don't climb up the mast. And if you see a sailing ship, it might be your last. Just get your sleeve ready for another on the shore. A sailor ain't the sailor ain't the sailor anymore. A sailor ain't the sailor ain't the sailor anymore.
Well done, give them a big cheer. Great stuff, well done. Right, now, there was 3 songs on their list, but there's 4 songs on the computer. So apparently, now I sustained an injury last year. I'm still waiting on the insurance there to come through, so here we go. Right, okay, I'm coming down. However, there's a bit of a change. Hang on now. I may just set this up here first, right? Okay. Hang on now. Right, okay, now. Hang on for a minute. Right, so we're coming down. Right, I was thinking when I saw 4 songs and 3 names on the list. Right, okay, listen, now, hold on. There's a thing here this year, right? Okay, hang on now, because I got called rotten last year. So, I'll only do this if 2 more adults join me up here on the stage. Okay, now I mean 2 more people, and if you come up here, I'll make sure you get a reward. Okay, right, have we got 2 more adults then that will join us up here? Oh, hang on, where, that woman there, is it? That woman in the pink top, come here. Is she coming up? Oh, good woman, oh, jumpy Jays, here we go. Right, I tell you, we have a, oh, here we go, very good, right, okay, right, there we go, now we're sorted. Right, okay, so, what we're going to do is, now listen, to the people who just joined us on the stage, are you listening? Are you listening to me now? Listen to me now, we're coming up here. Right, if you do this properly, and if I do it without getting an injury, we'll give each of you a ticket to the musical in Rathnure this summer, okay? Right? However, if you do it wrong, you're getting nothing. Simple as that. I've been practicing for the last month. Right, okay, right. Where are we going, lads? Where are we going? We're going this way. Where am I going? Okay, right. Now, you're going to, now, can we go through the steps first? By the way, if you want to do this while we're doing this, you can as well. Right, so here we go. Right, what are we doing? Walking forward on the right heel, okay? Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. So this is simple. Toe, okay, right, okay. 3 of them, is it? 4 of them. Okay, right, ready? Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Yeah, okay, right, very good. Okay, yes. You're putting that down. Back toe, oh jeez. Yeah, go on. Toe, toe, toe. Put the 2 of them together. Right, okay, so it's heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, back, toe, back, toe, back, toe, back. Right, okay. I'm a teacher, I'm supposed to be on holidays, you know that? Okay, right there. Okay, right, come on. Right, where are we going next? Out. Oh, jeez, we're going out now. Go on. Out, in, out. Okay. A back step turn to the right. Do that for me there. A back step. Out. Oh, gee, now we're crossing legs. Hang on now. Right, this way. And side. And together. Is there anyone else fed up yet, lads? He's all right there. Okay, right. Okay, here we go then. Will we give it a shot and see what happens? All right. Okay, right. Okay, so here we go. I'm watching you lot. Yeah, right. The intro is on, so we have time. Okay. Right, fair enough. Right. Okay. Hang on now. Is this fast or slow, by the way? Is it fast or slow? It's fast. It's in between. It's a Midland dance. Right, here we go. Watch it. Wait now. Are we going out? No, hold on. Hang on. Did you bring any boots for me? No, there's no boots for me. I'll bring me own next year. No? Yeah, give me the hat, yeah. Right, okay. I tell you, if I wasn't a big enough cowboy before. Right, here we go. Watch this, I can't remember the first.